Okay guys, James with Construction Hacks, self-taught electrician. So if you see anything in this video that offends you, please comment. And we're in California doing an ADU. We have a sub-meter put in. My recommendation is put a bigger one in than you think, because you got to have arc fault detectors now, and they're pretty big. And they don't sell square D double arc fault detectors, so top and the bottom on one pole. So you're gonna have to put one whole breaker in for each sector of your electrical system. Anyway, we have a home line panel. Highly recommend them because it allows you to put your arc fault detectors straight into the panel and it connects to the rail. I'll show you what I mean. So instead of having a wire that you got to wire into the neutral line, it just plugs right into the rail like this. Okay. So you're going to have your neutral from your circuit coming in here, and you're going to have your hot coming in here, and that all just gets clipped right into that neutral panel. So that makes it real easy. That's why I recommend the home line. However, you have to have a dedicated neutral. So here's our neutral, okay? And that you can see runs to these rails that'll clip to the neutral clip. But you also need a ground. So the kit comes with these rails that you screw in. And you can see I screwed this one in. So we have our two hots and our neutral coming in, and then we have our ground wire coming in that will clip here. So you're going to want to separate your ground from your neutral on your sub panel. Okay, we're going to do that right now. I'm making just a little bit of something like that, and then push it up like that. You know what? I'm happy with that, guys. So now I can kind of subdivide this into some of these smaller casings there after cutting all these off. Okay, we'll need a breaker for the bathroom. So we're just going to put the neutral down here. So it's right with, probably should put these inside here. Hold the breaker in my hand and I can see they're tightened down already, which they probably need to, but it's always nice when you find one. Okay, and I'm going to start on the top here. I'm just going to put my neutral on the bottom and my hot on the top, and I can go ahead and tighten them. And I can see where the wires are. I can see that they're being tightened in there. And then I can pop this in there. Check my wires. And then I can pop this in here. There we go. And we're on to the next one. Now sometimes I've tried popping it in first. It's just a little harder to see what's going on down there, if you know what I mean. So you can see over here, you got to kind of fish your neutral down there. So you can see it's just, to me, it's a little more challenging to have it in there, but not impossible. So you guys tell me which way you like the best. So I'm just gonna keep going down the line here. And we got one 15 amp that we'll probably put here. And guys, a little trade secret, I've ordered these on Amazon. They're like $37 a piece on Amazon. At Lowe's and Home Depot, they're 70. So. The cover that's going to go on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.